With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, today's question is what quantity in milliliter of a 45% acid solution of a monoprotic strong acid must be mixed with a 20% solution of the same acid to produce 800 milliliter of a 29.875% acid solution, and the given options are 320, 325, 316 and 330. So let's try to understand. So let us suppose that V milliliter of 45% acid of a monoprotic strong acid should be mixed. So V will be the volume in milliliter of 45% acid, and also said that it is monoprotic. Now the final volume of solution, that is V final of solution, is given as 800 milliliter, and the final percentage of acid is also we have given. So percentage final 29.875. So the 20% solution. Now if we write the concentration formula, so the volume for 20%, so volume for 20% acid should be, because we have V milliliter for 45%, therefore for it will be 800 minus V milliliter. Now if we balance, or if we use the directly concentration formula, so 45%, therefore we will write 45 into V and plus 20% for the same acid, so 20 into 800 minus V, and that must be equals to the final volume and final percentage. So the final volume is 800 milliliter and the final percentage is 29.875, and this can also be written as 45B plus 16000 minus 20V, that must be equals to 23900, and we can also write it as 25B equals to 7900 on solving, and from here we get the V as 316 milliliter. So 316 milliliter of 45% acid that must be mixed to be with the 5 with for 20% solution to produce the 29.875% acid solution. Hence the correct answer is C. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.